Question 1D reads, Vomuka Hire bought a car at 45,000 kwacha zirongwe. Given that the car depreciated using the straight line method at 10% of the original cost per year, calculate the book value of the car after 3 years. To calculate the book value of the car after 3 years, what we just have to understand is that the car depreciated. The car depreciated using the straight line method at 10% of the original cost per year. And what that means is that the car lost value. So the car lost its value from 45,000. The price of the vehicle was dropping down, or it was going down every year. Now, so what we're just going to do then is to find 10% of the original cost per year. Depreciation per year will be shown like this. Depreciation per year. So depreciation per year will be 10% of the original cost. 10 over 100 of the original cost, meaning multiply by 45,000. So what is 10% of 45,000? So 10% of 45,000, if we simplify the zeros, we can simplify like that. So meaning the 10 is going to multiply with 450, and 10 multiplied by 450 what that just gives us is 4,500. 4,500. So meaning that this is the loss of value of the vehicle per year. So the vehicle was losing 4,500 every year for 3 years, because this is the depreciation per year. So now we know that the original cost is 45,000. So how are we now going to find the book value of the car after 3 years? So what we're just going to do is we're going to show this in stages, because using the straight line method, that just means that we have to subtract. We're going to show the year 0 means that this is at the start of the year. So meaning the value of the vehicle at the start of the year is 45,000. Now, what is the value of the vehicle after 1 year? So this means that now we're going to say year 1. What is the value of the vehicle after 1 year? So the vehicle is going to lose 4,500 after 1 year. So if its original value is 45,000, then it means that we're going to subtract 45,000, take away 4,500 kwacha. So we're going to subtract 4,500 from 45,000, and the subtraction will go like this. Zeros will subtract. 0 take away 0, that's just 0. Again, 0 take away 0, that is 0. 0 take away 5, we get 1 from 5, and there we remain with a 4, and we put 1 in front of this 0, which becomes 10. 10 take away 5, that just gives us a 5 here. Now here we remain with a 4. So what is 4 take away 4? That is 0, and 4 take away, here we can just say there's a 0, so 4 take away 0, that just gives us a 4. So meaning that after 1 year, the value of the vehicle was 40,500. What will be the value of the vehicle at the end of second year? So we're going to say year 2. So year 2, at the beginning of the year, the value of the vehicle is going to be 40,500. So we say 40,500. And that 40,500 is going to be reduced by now the 10% of the original cost. So meaning that here we're talking about 4,500. So we need to subtract these two. What is the difference? So 0 take away 0 again, that is 0. 0 take away 0, 0. 5 take away 5, that is 0. And here 0 take away 4, so we get a 1 from 4. Here we're going to remain with a 3. And we put that 1 in front of 0, so that becomes 10 minus 4. That gives us a 6. And the 3 take away, here we can say there's a 0 again, so which means we get a 3. So at the end of year 2, the value of the vehicle is 36,000. So we now go to year 3. So year 3, the value of the vehicle at the start of the year will be 36,000. So we want now to calculate the value of the vehicle at the end of the year. So meaning that it will lose 10% of the original cost. So which is 4,500. So what is this difference? So if we subtract here, we get 0. There also 0. Then 0 take away 5, we get a 1 from 6. Here we're going to remain with a 5. And we put 1 on 0 there, which becomes a 10. 10 take away 5, that's 5. And 5 take away 4, that's a 1. And then 3 take away 0, that's a 3. So we are getting 31,500. So book value of the car after 3 years is 31,500. So we can write the conclusion just down here below. So we're going to say the value of the car after 3 years is 31,500. So this is the value we are looking for. Thank you so much for watching this video.